Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the status of your lost or stolen Redmi 15C on IMEI.info page. Okay, so first we need to type the IMEI number of our device, and we need to now click check IMEI. As you can see, the Redmi 15C pops out. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks. And on the bottom we have lost device check. Thanks to that we will be able to check the status of our lost device. Alright, so in here type your IMEI number. If you have a possibility, you can always type the second IMEI number and the serial number. Now click on check lost/stolen status. And now we have our result that this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. We can see the incident date, the country, the city where it happened, the description of the loss, the price, the contact name, email, phone number of the device, is it verified, also verification date, is it reported, and the date on which that report was created. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.